Welcome all to this video. In this video, we will discuss about the force exerted by jet on moving curved plate when the jet strikes a curved plate at the center. You can see here a nozzle is connected to a pipe and the water will come out of this nozzle in the form of jet with a velocity v and it strikes the curved plate at the center. Now this plate is not fixed, so it will move with a velocity equal to u, and now the jet will strike this plate with a velocity equal to relative velocity v minus u. After striking with a relative velocity v minus u, so now this jet will move along this curved plate with a velocity that is equal to relative velocity v minus u. This velocity and this velocity will be same since this curved plate is smooth and there is no loss of energy while the jet moves along this curved plate. So now you can see the jet will get deflected by an angle that is 180 minus phi. So this jet makes an angle now theta with the horizontal. Now we will start the derivation. So as we discussed earlier, so the jet will strike this moving plate with a velocity v minus u, and this jet will leave this plate making an angle theta with the horizontal. So it will leave with a velocity v minus u. So we can resolve this velocity into two components, that is v minus u cos theta in x direction and v minus u sin theta in y direction respectively. So let us get the expression for the force exerted in the direction of jet. So all these things we will assume before the derivation. So force exerted by jet on moving curved plate in the direction of jet. So as usual, we will take Fx is equal to mass per second into initial velocity minus final velocity. So mass per second is nothing but density into area into velocity. So that is rho is density and A is the area of jet multiplied by the velocity, that is nothing but velocity with which the jet strikes the moving plate. So that is nothing but v minus u relative velocity. So let us see what is the initial velocity of jet before striking the plate. So that we should take it as v minus u before striking the plate here. So initial velocity is v minus u, we should put the minus here. Next we should see what is the final velocity after striking the plate in the direction of jet. So in the direction of jet you can see after striking, this is the component of the velocity, but this is acting in the direction opposite to the direction of jet. You can see it is acting towards the left side, whereas jet is acting towards the right side. So we have to put here minus v minus u cos theta. So I should substitute here now minus v minus u cos theta rho into A. So you can see v minus u is common everywhere. So v minus u into v minus u is v minus u whole square. So what is left here is 1 and minus of minus, that will be plus cos theta. So this will be the equation for force exerted by jet in the direction of jet, that is equal to rho into A into v minus u whole square into 1 plus cos theta. So next we have to derive the equation for work done by the jet. Work done by jet on plate per second. So that is equal to force into velocity force is nothing but F into x. So velocity of plate, so plate is moving with the velocity v. So we have derived what is Fx. Fx is nothing but, you can see here, rho into a v minus u whole square into 1 plus cos theta, rho into a into v minus u whole square into 1 plus cos theta multiplied by u. So this will be the equation for work done. Unit is Newton meter per second. So we will solve the numericals on these three cases in the coming videos. Thank you.